Hi guys, Mev here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a custom Jordan 1 Low triple whites that were spray painted and turning them into a Bloodline inspired colorway. Now if you would like to see how that was done, then keep on watching. Step 1, prep. We'll be needing cotton pads and an acetone so we can start removing all of the paint that were spray painted on these pairs. And we'll be going from the toe box, go with the wig all around, but not apply that on the tongue and sock liner because we will not be able to remove that using acetone. Now we'll just keep on doing this until you've got nothing left to remove. And now we'll start painting. Now this is the goal that we've got, and on how to do this, I'll definitely be showing you how to. Now to do this, we'll be needing a big angled brush, a round brush, and a smaller angled brush for finer details, especially on the really tight ones. And still, of course, we'll be using Angelus paint, and we'll be going from the lightest color to the darker ones. Same as always, shake that well before you use it. We'll start putting some on our palette and just, getting little by little. Anyway, if you need more, you can get some later on, but you wouldn't want that to dry out because it's expensive. Now we'll start off with everything that needs to be painted white. You might be needing 3, 5, 6, 7 layers of this to turn it all into a really white canvas. Starting from the midsoles, going with short, quick strokes as always. Do not lob it in. Now on the toe box and on the side panels, make sure to actually get into the really tight spots. You wouldn't want to leave anything out, and double check every angle. Now we did a total of 6 layers for all the panels that needed to be white. Now we'll be using a big and small round brush so we can do all the red pipings on every panel, and so we can get into the little corners that we've got right here. Now we're going to paint just right above the stitching, and really take your time on this because you wouldn't really want to mess this up. And of course, do not forget to paint the sides of the outsole as well. Make sure you'll be able to paint every corner, every side, every angle. Double check the 360 degrees view all the time. Now we'll be using a fat, ugly brush that we've got to paint the outsole. Now we'll be doing this all over, and if you'd like to protect the paint from not getting damaged, you can use a sole guard that's worth around 2,000 pesos, or right about $20. Now going in with the black, we'll be using a big angled brush, starting on the edges first and going really slow. Then once you're inside, you can go crazy. Really tight spots, you can definitely use a small round brush to get in the corners. Do about 2 or 3 layers of the black one, and you should be all good. Now be sure to have a drying time of about 15 to 30 minutes for every layer you put on. And once you're done, be sure to double check every angle for everything that needs to be retouched. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned a thing or two, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And with all that, for any comments, questions about what we did, suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, Mab. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye! I hope that's a wrap.